This is Cryptomeria japonica Golden Promise. It's a sport of Cryptomeria japonica, which is a Japanese cedar, which will get up to 30-35 feet in the straight species. This is a sport, a mutation off that plant, which was selected for the gold color and the fact that it's a dwarf. So this plant is a full sun plant. Will tolerate a little bit of light shade, and this new growth, you can see, comes out, it pops really yellow, and it will keep that yellow color for quite some time. So in a rock garden, in a small space garden, even in containers, this plant will work well. Ultimately, it's probably about 4 feet by 4 feet. Cold hardiness, I'd be careful not to put it in a windswept area. Somewhere that gets southwest exposure might be a problem. But not a lot of serious pests. Spider mites could be one. Deer, I would say, could be an issue. I'm not going to speak to that definitively, but it could be an issue. It's a really good accent plant, to move your eye in the landscape. Cryptomeria japonica Golden Promise, real sweet little dwarf conifer.